Meet Rahul. He works hard, earns a decent salary, and yet, he's always broke. No matter what he does, his money just disappears. On the other side, meet Aryan. Same job, same salary, but he's building wealth every single day. So what's the difference? It's not luck, it's not intelligence. It's something you don't even realize. Your mindset. Today we're breaking down the. And trust me, by the end of this video you'll know exactly which one you have, and how to change it. First, broke people think short-term. Wealthy people think long-term. Rahul just got his salary. The first thing he does? Upgrades his phone, orders expensive food, and plans a vacation. After all, you only live once, right? But here's what Aryan does instead. Aryan knows that every rupee today has the power to multiply in the future. He enjoys life, but he also invests. Because while broke people live for, the wealthy prepare for. Are you spending like there's no future, or are you building a future where money works for you? Start thinking 5, 10 years ahead before making any financial decision. Second, broke people see money as something to spend. Wealthy people see money as a tool. To the broke mind, money is something too. The more you have, the more you spend. But wealthy people, they see money as a tool to create more money. Aryan doesn't just spend, he lets his money grow while Rahul's money disappears. Are you using money to make money or just using money to look rich? Before any purchase, ask, will this help me make more money in the future? Third, broke people work for money. Wealthy people make money work for them. Rahul believes that the only way to earn more is to work harder. More hours, more jobs, more stress. But Aryan, he follows a different rule. Aryan understands that the wealthy don't trade for money, they trade for more money. His stocks, rental income, and side business earn for him, even when he sleeps. If you stop working today, will your income stop too? If yes, then you don't own money, money owns you. Find ways to create passive income, investments, side businesses, digital products. Fourth, broke people blame circumstances. Wealthy people take responsibility. The broke mentality says, it's not my fault. Inflation is high, salaries are low, the system is broken, but guess what? The wealthy face the same reality. They just respond differently. Aryan doesn't wait for the economy to improve, he improves himself. Because while broke people make, the wealthy make. Do you control your money or does your money control you? The choice is yours. Stop blaming. Start acting. Learn a new skill, negotiate your salary, build a side hustle. Finally, broke people fear risk. Wealthy people manage risk. Rahul wants to invest but is scared. What if I lose? So he keeps all his money in a savings account, earning nothing. Aryan, on the other hand, sees risk differently. Aryan knows that no growth comes without risk, but instead of avoiding it, he learns how to manage it. He diversifies, researches, and makes smart moves. Fear keeps people broke. Knowledge makes people rich. Which one do you choose? Educate yourself. Start small. Invest wisely. Grow step by step. Now you know the difference between the broke mentality and the wealth mindset. The question is, where do you stand? Think long-term, not short-term. Use money as a tool, not just something to spend. Build income streams that make money while you sleep. Take responsibility for your finances. Manage risk and make smart investments. Your future is in your hands. Will you keep thinking like the broke or start thinking like the wealthy? Subscribe for more money tips.